An electric SUV with supercar speed, room for 7, and doors that open like a spaceship. Yeah, the 2026 Tesla Model X is still doing Tesla things. But with its latest refresh, it's not just about the wow factor anymore, it's smarter, smoother, and more refined than ever. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, and today we're checking out what makes the new Model X one of the most advanced EVs on the road. Design. On the outside, Tesla hasn't reinvented the wheel, but it didn't need to. The 2026 Model X gets subtle aerodynamic tweaks, new wheel designs, and updated lighting, keeping the futuristic look clean and modern. Of course, those Falcon Wing rear doors are still here, still show-stopping, and surprisingly practical in tight spaces. Performance. This SUV still hauls, literally and figuratively. The dual-motor version offers instant torque and a 0 to 60 time under 3.9 seconds, while the plaid trim takes it into absurd territory, 2.5 seconds. That's hypercar speed in a full-size family SUV. Tesla's refined the suspension and steering for 2026, making the ride feel more planted and comfortable across the board. Features and technology. Inside, the minimalist cabin returns with a few smart upgrades. The yoke steering wheel remains optional, but now more responsive and intuitive. The 17-inch central touchscreen is crisper and faster, paired with rear seat displays and a 22-speaker premium sound system. You get wireless gaming, theater mode, and of course, Tesla's latest full self-driving, beta, updates, which are edging closer to full autonomy. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model X continues to push boundaries, it's bold, tech-forward, and still one of the quickest ways to move a family. But is it still worth the premium price tag in today's EV market? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more straight-up takes on the latest cars and tech. See you in the next one.